Hi all, this is the review for the automation task done by Ahmed. The main task was inputting large amount of data to our website. So the data was unorganized and needs to be corrected first, then upload. Now between them, large amount of time is required, manpower is required for correcting the data, and everyone gets tired of doing the redundant data correction again and again. So issue got resolved when I contacted Ahmed for the automation tool. Now the large amount of data can be processed and already corrected. I mean, the tool will correct the data and process in almost 2 to 3 seconds, and we don't have to do anything. We have to just upload our data in the file and run the script, and all the data will be corrected as per our requirement and processed within a few seconds. So guys, let me show you how it is working. So this is our data. As you can see, it is totally unorganized data, and if I try to explain it, then you won't be understanding that. Now let's save this data first, and I will run the script. So this is automation type 2 and 3, because we have 3 types of files. So we have a different script for all the 3 types. So this is a good point done by Ahmed, and I just do that, and my process is complete. And if I show you the result, and it will be here normally, and see, these are the output files generated. You can see simple files, all the data is corrected and then processed and clean and neat. See, see. So thank you so much.